Hello all, welcome back to NSA Maths. Next topic of this unit, linear combination of vectors. So what is linear combination of vectors? So let capital V be a vector space over R, R is a real number, and let small v1, v2 dot vn. These are the elements of set V. Okay, this belongs to the capital V. B vectors, these are the any vectors from the set capital V or the vector space capital V. Then any element of the form C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus dot Cn Vn, where all these coefficients C1 C2 C3 dot Cn all are real numbers, these all are constant real numbers. Then any element is of the form C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus dot Cn Vn is called the linear combination, over real numbers of vectors in capital V. Now next, what is linear span? The vectors v1 v2 dot vn span a vector space. We can say that the vectors v1 v2 dot vn, these are the n number of vectors, span a vector space if every vector in V or every element from V can be expressed as a linear combination of these v1 v2 dot vn, all these elements. That means every vector or every elements from capital V or every element from the vector space V can be written in the linear combination of these n number of vectors. Then we say that this v1 v2 dot vn, this spans vector space V. Okay, and this is denoted by capital L of S, that is linear spanning. This L for linear and S for spanning, that is linear span. That is L of S is equals to V is equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus dot Cn Vn. Now let us see some examples on these topics. First example, write the vector V is equals to 1 minus to 5 as a linear combination of the vectors v1 is equals to 1 1 1, v2 is equals to 1 2 3, and v3 is equals to 2 minus 1 1. These all are row vectors, and we have to write this vector v in linear combination of these three vectors. So to write this, let c1 c2 and c3, these are all any three real numbers. Then we can write this v as a, we have to write this v as a linear combination of v1 v2 v3. That means c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus c3 v3. Okay, now we just write here vector v in the linear combination of v1 v2 v3. Now we have to just find the values of c1 c2 and c3 to complete this linear combination. So write down the vector v as, v is given as 1 minus 2 5, e is equals to c1 into v1 is given as 1 1 1 plus c2 into v2, v2 is 1 2 3 plus c3 into v3, v3 is 2 minus 1 1. Now these all are the row vectors, and we can compare the equations as, we will get the equations as, call it as equation number 1. Now we will get this as, if we multiply first element c1 into 1, so we will get c1 plus c2 into 1, so we will get c2 plus c3 into 2, that is 2c3 is equals to first element 1. We can compare this. Then we will get the second equation as c1 into 1 plus 2 times c2 minus times c3 is equals to this minus 2. And we will get third equation as 1 into c1, that is c1 3c2, and this 1 into c3, that is plus c3 is equals to this 5. Okay, now by using this system we have to calculate values of c1 c2 c3. So we can write this system in the matrix form as 1 1 2 1 2 minus 1 1 3 1 into unknowns c1 c2 c3 is equals to 1 minus 2 5, that is ax is equals to b form. Ax is equals to b form. Now this is a non-homogeneous system, To find the values of C1, C2, C3, we have to solve this non-homogeneous system. So consider the augmented matrix A comma B. It has 1 1 2 1 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 1 3 1 5. Now you have to convert this matrix in the echelon form. So I am going to use the operation. First operation we have to make here 0 and make here 0. So R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. See what happens. We will get first row as it is 1 1 1 2 1. Then R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then 1 R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now next step is you have to make here 0 by using R2. So the operation is R3 minus 2 times R2. So see what happens. So first row as it is 1 1 2 1. Second row as it is 0 1 minus 3 minus 3. And third row 0 2 minus 2 times 1, it is 0. Minus 1 minus minus plus 2 times 3, that is 6. Minus 1 plus 6, it is 5. And 4 minus minus plus 3 into 2, 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. We will get. Now this is in echelon form matrix. Here rank of A. What is the rank of A? If you hide the last column, so rank of A, it is 3 number of rows which are non-zero. So rank of A is 3, which is same as rank of A comma B. Rank of A comma B, because whole matrix also have the rank 3. That means this system is consistent. And number of unknowns, which are the number of unknowns? C1, C2, C3, these are the 3 unknowns. Unknowns are also 3. So this system has unique solution. So you have to find this unique solution. So rewrite the system as C1 plus C2 plus 2 C3 is 1. Then C2 minus 3 C3 is equals to minus 3. And 5 C3 is equals to 10. So from this third equation we will get C3 is equals to 2. 5 C3 equals to 10. So divide by 5. So we will get C3 equals to 2. So put this in the second equation. So we will get C2 minus 3 times C3. So minus 3 times 2 is equals to minus 3. That means C2 is equals to minus 3 plus 6. It is plus 3. Put in 1. Therefore we will get C1 plus C2. C2 is 3 plus 2 times C3. 2 times C3 is 2 times C3 is 2 is equals to 1. That means C1 plus 3 and this 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 is equals to 1. This implies C1 is equals to 1 minus 7. It is minus of 6. So you will get here C1 is equals to minus 6. C2 is equals to 3 here. And C3 is equals to 2. We can put in equation number 1. Put in 1. Okay, what is equation number 1? That is a linear combination. This is linear combination. Therefore, the vector V can be written as C1 is minus 6 into V1 plus C2 is 3 into V2 plus C3 it is 2 into V3. Therefore, we write given vectors in the linear combination of remaining 3 vectors. So that is a linear combination. Next example. For which value of k will the vector V is equals to 1 minus 2 k be the linear combination of the vectors V1 is equals to 3 0 minus 2 and V2 is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 5. That means this V is a in linear combination of V1 and V2. Okay. For that we have to find the value of k. Okay. So we can solve this. Let C1 and C2, these are any elements from the R order, these are any two real numbers. Then consider V is equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. It is in linear combination. Vector V is given as 1 minus 2 k is equals to C1 into V1 is 3 0 minus 2 plus V2 C2 into V2 is 2 minus 1 minus 5. Now again we can write the equation by quantized equation number 1. We can write the different equation by using this. Okay, so we can write this 3c1 plus 2c2 is equals to 1. This is first equation by comparing. Then 0c1 minus c2 is equals to minus 2, and third equation minus 2c1 minus 5c2 is equals to k. So you will get these three equations. So solve these three equations and find the value of k. So first finding the value of k, first we find the values of c1 and c2 by using first two equations. So from second equation we will get 0c1 minus c2 is minus 2. This implies c2 is equals to 2. This implies c2 is equals to 2. Put in the first equation, this equation. So you will get 3c1 plus 2 times c2. c2 is 2 is equals to 1. Okay. So this is 3c1 plus 4 is equals to 1. This implies 3c1 is equals to 1 minus 4. It is minus 3. Therefore c1 is equals to minus 3 upon 3. It is minus of 1. So we get values of c1 and c2. Put the values of c1 and c2 in equation number 3. This equation. Therefore we will get minus 2, c1 is minus 1, minus 5 into c2 is 2 is equals to k. Therefore k is equals to minus 2 into minus 1, it is 2, minus 5 into 2, it is minus of 10. So 2 minus 10, it is minus 8. Therefore the value of k will get minus 8. If k is equals to minus 8, then this vector v is a linear combination of v1 and v2. Then next example, determine whether the set. Now in this set there are two elements. First element, that is column vector 1 1 0, and second column vector is 3 0 0, spans R cube. So what is R cube? R cube consists of the vectors having three elements, having, it is a column matrix or vector having three elements A, B, C. Okay, we have to check whether this set spans R cube. So how to check this? So for that we have to consider any element from this R cube, R raised to 3, and we have to check whether this element can be written in the linear combination of these two elements. Okay, so let consider any elements from this R cube. So let A, B, C, this is any element from this R cube. Okay, how to write the element from R cube? This is a column matrix having three elements A, B, C, R cube. R is to 4, so having 4 elements. R square, then we'll consider the two elements A and B. Now to check whether this any vector where A, B, C, these are the real numbers. These are real numbers. Now we have to check whether any type of these vectors can be written in the linear combination of these two vectors. So for that, consider, suppose this is a vector V, and let V1 is equals to this vector 1 1 0, and V2 is equals to the vector 3 0 0. Then just write the linear combination. V is equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. We have to check whether this V can be written in the linear combination of V1 and V2. Now when we finalize this, whether this V can be written in the V1 and V2, if we are able to find the values of C1 and C2, you are able to find the real numbers C1 and C2 such that V is equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2, then we can say that this V1 and V2, that means these two vectors can be written in the linear combination of these two vectors. This vector V can be written. Okay, that means these two vectors spans R. Okay, so we try to find the values of C1 and C2, which are the real numbers. So for that, put the value of V. It is A, B, C is equals to C1 into V1, it is 1 1 0, plus C2 into V2 is 3 0 0. From this we can write C1 plus 3C2 is equals to A, then C1 plus 0 C2 is equals to B, and 0 C1 plus 0 C2 is equals to C. So this is a non-homogeneous system. We have to solve this. So we can write this system in the form of Ax equals to B. So we can write 1 3 1 0 0 0 into C1 C2 is equals to A, B, C, that is Ax is equals to B. Okay. So solve this system. Consider the augmented matrix A comma B. It is 1 3 A, 1 0 B, 0 0 C. Okay. Now make this element 0. So use the transformation as R2 minus R1. So we will get 1 3 A, 1 minus 1, it is 0, 0 minus 3, it is minus 3, here is B minus A, then third row as it is. Now if you check here, what is the rank of A? If you had this last column, so rank of A, it is 2 non-zero rows, so rank of A is equals to 2. And what is the rank of A comma B? Rank of A comma B. Now see, this C is any real numbers, this A, B, C are any real numbers. So C also any real numbers. So it may be non-zero real number. And if this C is non-zero real number, what is the rank of this whole matrix? Rank of A comma B, augmented matrix. So first row is non-zero row, second row is non-zero row, third row is also non-zero row because of this. So rank of A comma B is 3. That means rank of A is not equals to rank of A comma B. So rank of A is not equals to rank of A comma B. That means the system is not consistent. System is not consistent. That means system has no solutions. That means we are unable to find the values of C1 and C2. System has no solution. That means C1 and C2 has no values such that V is equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. That means we cannot write this V as a linear combination of V1 and V2 because C1 and C2 has no solution. So we are unable to write this V as a linear combination of V1 and V2. Okay. So we are unable to write any vector ABC, any vector from R cube in a linear combination of these two vectors. That means these two vectors not spans R cube. Therefore, given set not span R cube. This is the solution. Okay. Now some examples for the homework. So let's see this exercise number 3.3. Okay. So these are the examples. Okay. Try these examples to yourself at home. Try to solve these examples. These are the 8 examples. If you have any doubt in these examples, you can ask me. Thank you for watching video.